Hello, Facebook. How are you doing tonight? It is Saturday night. I'm Kimberly, and I am in San Diego, California, and I am going to make a two-ingredient creamy cheesecake mousse that is keto-friendly, sugar-free. Um, this says fat-free, but we are going to be adding stuff to it. So I know people asked for cheesecake the other night. Hi, Ashton. How are you doing? So I'm going to be doing a couple of different cheesecake over the week. Um, so this is just going to be a super simple one. Ashton, can you hear me? I am using the new mic, and my husband is not home because he went to go for a friend's birthday party. So, thanks. My day was good. Our babysitter canceled on us at the last minute. Something happened in her family, and she had an emergency. So I am staying home, and my husband is going and enjoying his best friend's birthday party. Hi, Kimberly. How are you? So as always, if you're catching the live and you see that little red box up in the corner, if you will drop a 1 or say hi, let me know that you're here. I absolutely love talking with y'all. If you're catching the replay and you don't see that little red live box, just type hashtag replay and let me know where you're coming in from. If you've never watched me before and you're new, type new please and let me know where you're at. I love meeting new people, and you can always send me a friend request if you'd like. Oh yeah, her grandmother fell down and hit her head, so she wanted to spend today checking in on her because she got out of the hospital last night. Hey Pops! Shh. Oh yes, mousse is great. Oh, back to our babysitter. Her grandmother is okay. Her grandmother's out of the hospital. They said that there's nothing wrong, but she just wanted to check in on her. So, yeah, it was really sad. So, we have wished her well. She's coming tomorrow, which gives me time to clean and work on things and rearrange some things in the house. But that's neither here nor there. I told her she could have the weekend off, but she says she wants to come tomorrow, so no worries. So I want to show you my Amazon delivery. It's a 3-pound bag of the golden sweetener. If you guys need this, let me know. I will send you a link for it. I was really super excited to get it in today. And Kimberly, this is also great for our bariatric patients, because it is a sugar-free pudding. So this is really super simple. So we just look at the pudding directions on the back, and we're going to only use one package, and it says that we mix 2 cups of cold fat-free milk with it. Because we're making a mousse, we want it to be thick and airy and big and fluffy, so we're going to use cold heavy whipping cream. So I just pulled this out of the refrigerator. I am just using the Walmart brand because that's what we have. I have not yet gone to Costco. That's usually where I buy things. But you do want to make sure instead of heavy cream, you get heavy whipping cream. And you can certainly make this in a blender if you so please. I'm going to use a mixer. It is also better if you have a whisk attachment, but I don't have one. So I just shook it up, and we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream in here. And this is a 1/2 cup measuring cup, so I'm going to measure out 4 of these 1/2 cups. I guess I could have poured it directly in. This is my big measuring cup. I absolutely love this measuring cup because it is so huge. It holds 8 cups worth of liquid or dry ingredients. Hi, Amy. How are you doing tonight? I'm just going to throw this back in the fridge. Ooh. I hope everybody has had a great Saturday. My Saturday started off like super early this morning. Like, I guess not earlier than any usual day. I was up at like 4 o'clock in the morning. So, okay. So like I said, this is just a sugar-free Jell-O cheesecake pudding. And I'm going to dump it in here. It's going to make a mousse. It's a wonderful dessert that you can go ahead and customize to you. Unless you're not low carb or keto, I mean, I would not recommend adding a fruit filling. If you're low carb or keto, you can certainly add in some Lily's chocolate chips or some sugar-free chocolate sauce. Hi, Tina. How are you? Thank you so much, Tina. Ooh. Did you all have a game that you went to today? Ooh. Hi, puppy. Do y'all like this angle better than what it has been previously? I spent some time, like I said, I got up at like 4 o'clock this morning. And so since everybody was asleep, I came down here and I started cleaning the counters and rearranging things. It drives my husband up the wall. Sometimes I've done it ever since I could move furniture, so probably about 7 or 8, where every like 3 months I have to move furniture around, deep clean everything, and I just change the way things look. So about every 3 to 5 months I change the kids' room layout, just kind of the layout of everything in the house that I can move. Tina, that is so awesome. I am so glad that you finally got to go to a game and that the smoke has subsided enough for you guys to go outside again. I know that it's probably been so hard on you guys with the kids and everything else. So y'all, this is getting really thick, and I'm just going to whip it up some more. So I just really want it super thick. Woo! So it's almost got a stiff peak to it, right? Have you guys ever made meringues where like you have to have a stiff peak to everything? You know, I even got into my drawer and like semi-organized it. And I want your opinion. So I found these today. These are cute little like candy molds. So this one has like sunflowers and different types of flowers. This one has different fruits, bananas, apples, grapes, pineapples. Here's another one that has got a bunch of different types of flowers in it. This one has all roses. This one is more sea, so starfish and fish and seashells. And this is the one that I am looking forward to for Christmas. These are spoons. So I am really going to look hard to see if I can find a keto-friendly, like, peppermint candy spoon. I don't know if you guys like peppermint hot chocolate. But I was thinking about that. Like, somebody could go ahead and maybe make a peppermint hot chocolate out of it. So we're going to work on that. So, okay. So I'm going to taste this. And y'all, if you've had bariatric surgery or if you're just like really super into portion control, I got these really cute little ramekins from the dollar store. So, you know, they're not the most expensive things, but they are really good at portioning things out. Let me see if I can look at the bottom of another one. They come in like a 3-pack. It doesn't say how many ounces they hold, but I believe it's like 3 ounces. So if you're really wanting to portion out this dessert, you could even, I wouldn't necessarily freeze it, but you could put it in a Ziploc bag in your refrigerator, let it firm up really well, and then cut the tip and like make a really fancy dessert. So here it is. I'm just going to try some. That's really good. So like I said, this one is super, super simple, super quick. Great when you're going to have company and you want to have like a fancy dessert, but you don't have time. I keep some sugar-free Jell-O cheesecake in my house, and you can also do this with like banana or pistachio. Just make a really great mousse, and people think you actually spent a lot of time on it. And it really took 5 minutes. So all you do is you take the recipe on the back of this box, and instead of using non-fat or low-fat milk or whatever milk that you're going to use heavy whipping cream instead. And you will get this wonderful thick mousse. So I hope that you all got value out of this. I would love to know what you guys would like to see. I actually have some bell peppers in my fridge still, so I think tomorrow night I'm going to make some stuffed bell peppers. I would love to know, and I'm going to put a poll up in my stories. You guys will have until, let's say, 2 p.m. tomorrow to vote what you would like to see as the main meat filling inside the stuffed peppers. And that's what I'll make tomorrow night. And I hope that you all got a lot of value out of this. If you would like the recipe, please drop recipe down in the comments. And if you would like to join our exclusive keto community group that has thousands upon thousands of recipes, we have doctors' videos and tons of resources, tons of information, and a ton of people that can help you through your journey. Just drop group in the comments below. Hi, Chris! I made this wonderful cheesecake mousse, and it's so super simple. And just drop group down in the comments below if you'd like to join our keto community. And then, what else did I want to say? And then please share this video out on your page, to your friends. You can go ahead and tag them in the video, or to any groups that you might be a part of that you would like to share this recipe with. Like I said, this one is super simple, 2 ingredients, sugar-free, low-carb, keto-friendly. So I hope everybody has an absolutely wonderful Saturday night. I will see you tomorrow. I will be making stuffed bell peppers. Look for the poll in my stories, and please vote on what type of meat you would like to see in the bell pepper. And what else did I want to say? There was one other thing. Oh, tomorrow starts my reboot. So if you don't know, I will still be cooking Monday and Tuesday night. I won't be trying anything. I won't be eating anything. Hopefully I can get my husband in here to try the food for you so that you have, sorry y'all, my nose is like itching. So you have somebody that can tell you how it tastes. But tomorrow I start my 60-hour reboot. So tomorrow night will be my last meal that I have until Wednesday morning, and I will be taking you guys through that journey with me. If you would like more information on what I am doing, why I am doing, just drop reboot in the comments below or private message me. Okay, I hope you all have a wonderful Saturday night, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye.